This is Email World AI video tutorial. Never skip anything and let's get you started. If you are seeing this page, mean you have clicked download button. First step, click download. And next page will pop up telling you that there is issue detected. Don't worry, it's because we are private and we keep our file. All you have to do is download anyway. Once you click download, you can see the application is downloading. There's another thing you have to do. After the application download, it's also going to test your trust between us. So all you have to do is click this three dot. Let me repeat. After downloading, the file is going to ask you if you trust us, and you'll see Email World isn't commonly. All you have to do is click three dot. And next page will pop up. And you're going to see keep the application. Click it. This page will pop up here. Scroll all the way to down. You're going to see show more. Click show more and keep anywhere. Click keep anywhere. Now we are done. The application is now finished. Click file to open the location on your computer. Just click file to locate the file on your computer. Just double click the application. That's all. And you have to minimize all the applications and file you have opened and go back to your computer background for you to activate the key. The background, the activation page will pop up. As you can see, this is activation page. All you have to do is just enter the key we give to you. Press your license key and click activate license. Congrats, your application successfully activated. This application will help you script data, collect lead on internet, and also help you validate those email addresses, and also help you send the email out with your SMTP configuration. You can also get the API. We have free trial API for 1 month for everyone. The app also help you compose message if you don't know how to compose a message that will get people to come back to you. The application accepts API key for scripting, for web scraping only. But verification is free. Extracting, sending is free. You can see here is where to get your public API key for scraping data if you want to scrape email. And next thing here is SMTP store. You can see here you can click purchase SMTP for you to buy SMTP. You can buy as multiple as you can. The application is going to rotate your SMTP for unlimited. If you like, you can load unlimited SMTP. The app will rotate it on your behalf, and you can see all our SMTP here and their prices. If you want to send mass email, you have all these options here to buy single IP, double IP, or multiple IP. All the prices in there, and you can always contact us. If you scroll down, you're going to see contact our team on Telegram. We only give support on Telegram, not on WhatsApp.